Are you having problems with localized execution entry point not locating the Exe.library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Before we begin our Exe.library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Exe.library. This uniquely named DLL is often part of specialized self-extracting installers or legacy game repacks. It handles the localized execution logic and file verification during a software setup. If missing, the installer will usually terminate with a generic LoadLibrary failed or Initialization error message, preventing the software from installing. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This error typically means a core application file is missing from the Qt framework installation path. Reinstalling the latest official version of Qt framework is the fastest way to restore Qt5 serial port DLL and get the program running again. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Exe.library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Qt5 serial port DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines Exe.library optimization concepts. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Exe.library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.